Hello, I'm Isha Pant. I'm Deputy Commissioner of Police Command Center, Bengaluru City Police. And I wish all the listeners of Red FM a very happy International Women's Day.
We've always heard the line that it's difficult to identify what exactly women want. They say that even women don't know what women want. So we thought if it's that difficult to figure out what they want, why not figure out what they don't want? We're asking, of course, eminent people from all walks of life to go ahead and give their opinions on what they think women don't want. Joining me today on Red FM is Deputy Commissioner of Police, Miss Isha Pant. Thank you so much, ma'am. Did I introduce you right?
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Before we go ahead with asking you, of course, about what women don't want, I want to ask you, you share your surname with Rishabh Pant. तो आप क्या क्रिमिनल्स को वैसे ही ट्रीट करती हैं जैसे ऋषभ पंत क्रिकेट बॉल को ट्रीट करता है?
That's a very nice question. The first time anybody has asked this question to me, actually, we do not break the law or we do not take the law into our own hands, but we ensure that they are treated the way they deserve to be treated.
All right. As a cop, what are your ambitions in life, both in terms of serving the people and in terms of personal ambitions?
When it comes to, being a cop, there are hardly any personal ambitions as such, because you're only working for the people, and that's how it should be. So definitely I want, and I have a vision for the policing as Indian police as such. It's a broad vision where I want people to find police very approachable, where any problem comes to them, any crime happens against them, they should feel safe, they should feel free to come to the police station.
How your experiences as a lady cop would be different than a male cop?
Yeah, lady cop, that's a very interesting term, but yeah, okay. So yeah, the thing is, for me, I believe that, we all should be cops.
Right.
But that's not how it is. Yeah, so because there are certain stereotypes and prejudices which are very deeply entrenched, and policing traditionally being a masculine job, so to say, was not very open to having women. It was very, very late, when women started coming to the police and started working and actually started doing districts and taking executive posts. So definitely the mindset is changing. In last 20 years things have changed, but still there is a mindset that women may be able to do this particular kind of job they might not be able to do. So there are certain stereotypes which are still there, and we need to fight these stereotypes by showcasing our work. We need to have commitment, and we need to work, and we should not shy away from responsibilities, and we should not, most importantly, fall prey to these stereotypes ourselves.
What women don't want, according to you, what are the things that women don't want? Now, it can be something which is heavy and important, as you were talking about right now. It can be something absolutely frivolous, जो आपको लगता है कि मर्दों को समझ नहीं आता क्या कि हमें नहीं चाहिए ऐसी बात.
सबसे पहले, the first thing is we do not want judgments. And judgments are thrown on ourselves left, right and center, on us, like on women. So, and it's not just the men who judge us, women also judge ourselves or judge each other. Okay, so for instance, I'll just give you an example. A woman who is working very hard in her office and doing extremely good, she will be judged as not, and spending more time in the office, so she'll be judged as not being a good wife or mother at home, because she's not giving enough time. If she spends more time in the with her family, she will be judged as not being a good worker. So every point of time, if she talks to a man, she will be seen as, very easy. If she's not talking to a man or to men, she will be seen as being, very haughty. So at every point, women are judged. So that's what we don't want. Firstly, we do not want any such judgments. We want to, and we do not want, and then what happens when women are judged? They are not judged as individuals, they will be judged as a gender.
Right.
Like if I am a bad worker, if as a woman I'm a bad worker, I will be seen as I will be seen as a representative of the entire the gender, the female gender.
Right.
But that is not how it is with men. So I think that is one thing which really pulls women down, and that shouldn't happen, and we don't want that.
are you somebody who works out, who exercises?
Yeah. I do.
And this is like an everyday routine.
Every day.
And what kind of workout do you do though?
So I do power yoga and I do running.
Any police meme or any police joke that you saw online that you remember, आपको लगा कि ये funny है?
There are several, but you know that typical image I've seen couple of photographs where their tummies are touching. So that was funny, and I mean I also feel a little bad because of the lifestyle they live. They tend to put on weight, but yeah, that is something which was also a little.
What is your favorite pastime?
I spend time with my family and my daughter. I mean, I think I can't enough time with her. So now after I had my child, I try to spend as much time with her. And I like to read, I like to listen to music. And I do watch a couple of shows here and there.
Now, before we let you go, of course, the vaccination drive is going on. One issue that people are facing is a lot of people have vaccine hesitancy. उनको लग रहा है vaccine लेना चाहिए, नहीं लेना चाहिए. Cops already got their first shot done. तो आपका जनता के लिए क्या message है? Especially in phase 2 has opened up. People can now get vaccinated.
I have got myself vaccinated, and I think it's something we should all try to get in. It's my policy not to force people into it. In fact, even my officers and my people, I did not force them into it. I just told them this is how it is. I have taken them, and we live by example. We lead by example. So if they see I have taken it, they will see that I am still alive and not having any, side effects as such. So it is something that government has come up with, and it is working for a lot of people. I personally know people whose entire family was affected, but because they took vaccine, they were not affected by it. So we are seeing that it is working on people, and there are certain precautions. I think there are certain precautions that you need to take, and if you do not have those conditions, then you must take the vaccine.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Red FM 93.5